Hello friends, in this episode we have a very simple DIY project. We're going to replace the throttle body on this Volkswagen Scirocco because after starting the engine the throttle body doesn't immediately block the air, which causes the engine to jerk along with a characteristic noise. Let's not waste any time and get started with this short tutorial. The throttle body is very easy to replace because it's located right at the front of the engine compartment. We'll start by disconnecting the power cable connector. The mount for the dipstick tube is attached to the throttle body with a 10mm screw, so we'll start with that. Next, you'll need to loosen two color clamps positioned at the ends of an intake hose using a 7mm socket and a flexible joint for the lower one. Then we'll remove the hose to access the lower screws of the throttle body. Block the intake opening with a cloth to ensure nothing falls inside. Now you can remove the 3 T30 screws that secure the throttle body to the intake manifold. Here's the top screw. And there are two more screws at the bottom, which I'll show you on the new part. The screw for the dipstick tube mount goes here. And here are the 3 screws that secure the throttle body to the intake manifold. Obviously, the reassembly process is done in reverse order, so I will speed it up for you. Insert the 3 screws that secure the throttle body to the intake manifold. Insert the screw that secures the dipstick tube mount. Reattach the intake hose starting with the lower end, then the upper end. Tighten the upper clamp on the hose. Reconnect the power cable connector. And don't forget to tighten the lower clamp as well. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to give it a like, leave a comment or hit the subscribe button for more interesting projects brought to you by the DIY Workshop.